HDFC Bank, which is now the largest private bank in the country as well as the second largest lender in India, has reported a 30% rise in its net profit. Net profit for the quarter ended June 30 came in at about 11,950 odd crore, which was a pleasant surprise for the market because immediately after the numbers came out, the stock did rise about 2%. What we do know from the numbers is that HDFC Bank's improvement in the net profit situation is primarily because of an improvement on the core income side, which is the net interest income, which rose about 21%, as well as the lower provisions aided the net profit. On the asset quality side, the numbers were slightly disappointing. There was a 5 basis points rise in the gross NPA ratio, which stood about 1.17% as of 30th of June. However, having said that, this is primarily because of agriculture loans. Typically in the first quarter of every financial year, banks record this agriculture NPAs in their NPA portfolio, and that sort of pushes up the NPA number for a brief period of time. If you remove agriculture out of the gross NPA number, then that stands at about 0.94%, which is largely flat compared to the March quarter. What we also know from the numbers that HDFC Bank has released is that the total advances were a little over 16 lakh crore, having risen about 16 odd percent. We also know that deposits have risen about 20%. However, CASA deposits, which is the low cost deposits for the banking system, that reduced as a ratio of total deposits for HDFC Bank. Remember that all of these numbers are standalone in nature. Currently, while the merger between HDFC and HDFC Bank has been completed, the effective date of that merger is 1st of July, and these numbers are as of 30th of June, and therefore currently we only have standalone figures. It will be some time before HDFC Limited's numbers are also audited and put out to the public. Also on Monday, the HDFC Bank shares traded as one entity after the shares of HDFC Limited were delisted last week. So now all the shareholders of HDFC have been issued HDFC Bank shares, and currently the share trades as one entity on the exchanges.